how to cut an avocado correctly. Everybody's always talking about avocado hand. Well, there is no avocado hand around here. So the first thing you're going to do, take your knife, right? And you want to run along this edge here, like this, all around. Okay. And take your hand and go like this. And now you have two halves. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to scoop out the avocado. If anybody tells you to peel it and then scoop it, this is how you get injured. You don't do that. You go like this, and you take it out like that. Okay, let's get this one. Get it all out. Okay, now, what do you do with this? Don't throw it away. Hold it aside. And you take this. Here's your knife. Watch carefully. See? It's embedded in there. And you take that and you twist very simply. There's the pit. And you take our friend over here. You grab this off like that. Simple. No hurting. And of course you throw it in the trash unless you want to keep it for a tree or something, which would be nice. We need more avocados. So here we go. And put it in here. And we got all the avocado in there. A little finger action there. We don't need the knife anymore. I have a very cool little tool. Notice this? So you go like this and you take the two sides and you push them together, and now you have a potato masher. And a potato masher is the ideal tool to use for mashing avocado. So you want to add your onion, your tomato, and your cilantro. Okay, and we're going to mash it. Now that you've done that, I have another tool. This is a pestle, like mortar and pestle. And which one is the pestle? Is the pestle of the vessel. If you've ever seen the Danny Kaye movie, it's a wonderful movie. It's really funny. All right, we're going to dispense with this guy, and we're going to put this over here. Now, the important thing is to try to crush the food against the side of the bowl, which is mimicking kind of a Mexican molcajete, which is actually made out of volcanic rock. And I don't have one of those. I want one. Somebody want to buy me one? I'll be really happy. Okay, here we go. Get everybody all nicely mashed. Really nicely mashed. Now, I want you to notice something that did not go in this. We did not put any garlic in here. We did not put any tomato, or rather, lettuce. And we did not put any lemon. And we did not put any, God forbid, green peas. Okay, so now we're going to season it. I like to season mine with Boswell seasoned salt. You can find a recipe for the Boswell seasoned salt on the Good Plate. Make your own. We're going to take a little of this and put some on here. Okay, and put that away. And we're going to make it a little extra hot. I like the El Yucateco hot sauce. This is from Mexico, and it's really hot, so you only need a little tiny bit. 1 or 2 drops, and that's it. And mix it all up. Now, I would be absolutely horrified if y'all tried to serve this in this bowl. I mean, this is just terrible. I have a nice little bowl that I bought, and I'm going to put the guacamole in there. There we go. Make sure you get every little tiny bit. And there you go. If you need to hold this guacamole for later for some reason or another, don't try to put lemon juice in it or water on it or anything like that. The one thing that is your enemy is oxygen. So you want to keep the oxygen out, and I know that we don't like plastic anymore, except for this. Okay, put it directly on the guacamole.